Hello my dear students, you all are welcome in my Pathshala. Myself Subramitra Thakur from IQCT Durgapur. Today we will take the classes from mensuration, that is volume and surface area of rectangular shape. Regular shape body. Regular shape body means we'll learn about the rectangle and rectangular shaped body and cube shaped body. Like how to draw a rectangle. Suppose this is a rectangular body and it is like that. Again you will draw another rectangle. Then you will add the corner to corner, corner to corner, corner to corner, corner to corner. Right? It is a rectangle. A B C D E F G H. Right? Here A to B, this is the length L. B to C, this is breadth, and B to F, this is the height. Suppose in any rectangle, this is the rectangle, and how to draw a cube. This is called the cuboid. This is the cube. How to draw a square, and then from the middle another square you draw. Right? Again join corner to corner, corner to corner, corner to corner. Again A B C D E F G H. Right? Same. But it is a cube. That's why all the sides are equal. So all sides are L. This is the length is L, breadth is L, and height is L. Right? So in this cuboid, this is called cuboid, and this is called cube. So how to draw cuboid and how to draw cube, you learn. And again, what are the things here in this figure? There are edges. This is the one of the edge. This is edge. This is edge. So if you calculate, there are 4 edges there in the lower and 4 edges upper. That is total is 8 and 4 edges in corner. So total number of edge is equal to 12. Face. How many faces are there? It is also a rectangle, right? So it is one of the face. This is one of the face. And upper and lower, there are 2 faces. This is and back side, 2 faces. This is 3. So total number of faces is equal to 6. How many corners are there? Corners. This is a corner. This is corner. In 4 corners are there, and in the lower and upper part there are 8. So total vertex. Total number of vertex is equal to 8. Vertex means this is the point. This point, this point, this point, this point. There are 4 and there are 4 in lower and upper. So 8 number of vertex. Same thing in cuboid. In cube, the edge will be number of edges 12, number of faces 6, and number of vertex, that is also 8. So we should learn how to calculate the volume and surface area of the cuboid and cube. What will be the formula? Suppose the surface area of cuboid is equal to total surface area. Means this is the cuboid, this area, this area, this area, this area. There are 4 area and upper and lower 6 area. So, and if you calculate the lower part, here it is the length and breadth. So 2 length and breadth will be there, and 2 breadth and height will be there. Breadth and height will be there, and 2 length and height will be there. So 2 into LB, length into breadth, plus breadth into height, plus height into length. This is the surface area of cuboid. Area jahan, so it is a square unit. And volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. L into B into H. For cube, volume is equal to L cube. Volume is equal to L cube and surface area is equal to 6L square. The one side is L. This is the one side is L because it is a cube, right? It is a. These are the formula. So you note it down this formula. On the basis of formula, we will do some mathematics from this chapter. So you can calculate all the mathematics from this chapter. It is a very easy chapter, and there are only four and another two formula are there. That is for area of the four walls. Suppose we are learning this session in a room where there are four walls, and in the lower part and in upper part. Lower is the ground part and upper is the ceiling part. So how we calculate the total area of the four walls, right? So area of the four walls is equal to area of the four walls is equal to 2 into L plus B perimeter, 2 into L plus B into H square unit. It is the area of the four walls, right? So you take note the formula of this thing, and now we'll do the questions from this chapter. Just first I will do this. Suppose question number 1, length is 25 centimeter, breadth is equal to 20 centimeter, and height is equal to 12 centimeter. Right? So, how to calculate the surface area and volume? What surface area and volume? So, surface area, I know the formula 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So 2 into L into B is 25 into 20 plus 20 into 12 plus 12 into 25. That is 2 into 500 plus 240 plus 300. So total 800, 200. That is 2 into 1040. That is 2080 square centimeter. Centimeter square. Right? Centimeter square. This is the surface area. And volume. So volume, what's the formula of volume? You just tell what's the formula of volume? L into B into H. L into B into H. So L here 25 into 20 into 12, that is 500 into 12, 60,000 centimeter cube. Volume, if we consider the volume, then the volume unit will be the centimeter cube, right? So this type of formula, it is very easy. And same, if the same math, if it is for cuboid cube, that one side has given, and calculate the same surface area. One side of a cube is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Find the volume and surface area. Volume and surface area. Cube. For cube, surface area is equal to 6L square. That is 6 into 5 centimeter square. That is 6 into 25. That is 150 centimeter square. That is surface area. Volume will be L cube. Volume will be L cube. That is 5 into 5 into 5. That is 125 centimeter cube. This is the volume, right? this type of, on the basis of this formula, you will calculate all the, you can, I think you are very intelligent, so you can do all the things. Find the value of, find the area of 4 walls. Find the area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls whose dimensions are, whose length is equal to 8 meter, breadth is equal to 4.5 meter, and height is equal to 3 meter. Find the cost of, distempering at the rate of 4 walls at the rate ₹20 per meter square. Right? So, for this distempering, so you should calculate first the area of the 4 walls. So, area of 4 walls is equal to 2 into L plus B into H. You just write the formula. Again put the value. 2 into 8 plus 4.5 into 3. 2 into 12.5 into 3. That is 6 into 12.5. That is 75. 75 meter cube. Meter square, sorry. 75 meter square. This is the area of the 4 walls, right? So, now I should calculate the cost of distempering at the rate of 4 walls at the rate of ₹20 per meter square. So, cost of for 1 meter square, the cost is 20 meter, 20 rupees 20. So, for 75, so we should multiply the 75 into 20. The cost of distempering will be 75 into ₹20. ₹1500 answer, right? So you can calculate the area of the 4 walls in this mathematics. Again, we will learn about the water clogging in the tank. Suppose question number 5, volume of a tank, water tank, is equal to 6.4 meter cube. Volume has given, right? And the dimensions are, dimensions are 2 meter into 1.6 meter. Dimensions means length and breadth. Find its depth. Depth means height, right? Depth means height. So here is a length and breadth has given and height. But for it is a cuboid. So volume is equal to, we know volume is equal to LBH. So I have to calculate the H. The H is equal to volume by L into B. That is, volume is equal to 6.4 meter cube divided by 2 into 1.6, right? Here point, after point there is one number, after point there is a 1. So point that will be cancelled. So it is written as 64 divided by 2 into 16. 2. That is 2 meter. So depth of the tank will be the 2 meter. That is the answer, right? Again, question number 6. There is a bricks. Bricks is also in rectangular shape, is cuboid shape. So how many bricks will be there when the question will come? How many bricks in a house? How it will be calculated? Just the volume of the house divided by volume of the bricks. So you will get the number of bricks. So number of bricks equal to volume of the cuboid divided by volume of the bricks per bricks. So here bricks, the dimension of bricks, is equal to 20 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 8 centimeter. This is the dimension of bricks. And build a wall whose length, build a wall is made of bricks, build a wall whose length, breadth, whose length is equal to 12 meter, or breadth is equal to 30 centimeter, and 3.5 meter height, right? So it is given in centimeter. Here is meter, here is meter, here is centimeter. So volume of wall, number of bricks, formula is number of bricks is equal to volume of wall. Volume of wall divided by volume of bricks. That is, volume of wall is equal to 12 meter. 12 meter means 1200 centimeter into 30 centimeter into 35 meter means 350 centimeter divided by volume of bricks, that is 20 into 10 into 8, right? So here is 20 cut up, 20, then it is 2 6 2 2 4 2 15, again 2, again 3, again 2, 175. That is, it is 75 into I think 45 into 175. That is equal to 7875 centimeter. Number 7875 number of bricks will be the 7. So in this type of calculation, you should not multiply the upper level. You just write into, then 2 for cancellation of this same digit number by the same factor, right? It will be very easy for you. So last I will do another math, that is volume of tank, water tank. Here volume of a rectangular tank, a rectangular tank whose length is equal to 5 meter, breadth is equal to 3 meter, and it filled by 60 centimeter. It filled by 60 centimeter. Find volume of water. Find volume of water. So volume of water will be the LBH. So volume of water is equal to LBH. That should be in the same 3 meter into 5 meter into 3 meter into 60 centimeter. That is 60 by 100. 60 by 100 meter. That is meter. 0 0 5 2 10 within. That is 9. So volume of water 9 centimeter cube. 9 meter cube. Sorry. 9 meter cube. Right? Again, what is the height of the, how to, an area of the walls. Area of walls. Area of wall is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, right? 2 into 5 into 3 plus 3 into 0.6 plus 0.6 into 5. That is 2 into 15 plus 6 by 10, 18. 1.8 plus 6 by 10, 2, 3. 3. So 15, 18, 19.8, 2 into 19.8. So, that is also 18 lakh. 18 আর 19 9 18 lakh. 2 3. This is 39.6 is the meter area of the forest car at the meter square, right? So whenever this depth filled by water, that water filled the value, that amount, that will be considered as the height of the water, right? So you will, I think you are able to do all the mathematics from the volume and surface area of the regular shaped body, I mean cuboid and cube. So class 7 mensuration part, it has finished today, and from tomorrow we will do the statistics part. So I will take the 2 classes for statistics and it will be also finished, right? So if you like my classes, then you can like and subscribe and share from the YouTube channel, then I will be thankful to you. So best of luck, you will do all the mathematics. Thank you. Bye.